What if I told you that wealth isn't about luck, connections, or even intelligence, but about a code? A simple, repeatable formula that anyone can apply regardless of where they start. Most people stay broke not because they lack opportunity, but because their focus is scattered, their energy is misdirected, and their execution is weak. Today we're decoding the wealth code: focus, energy, and execution. If you master these three elements, money stops being a mystery and starts becoming a result. Stay with me until the end, because the final lesson might completely change how you approach success. Lesson 1. Focus creates wealth. The architecture of a fortune is rarely built upon a foundation of scattered interests. Rather, it is forged through the intense heat of a singular burning priority. In a world designed to fracture our attention into 1,000 digital shards, the ability to maintain a ruthless focus has become the ultimate competitive advantage. While the majority of people operate in a state of perpetual distraction, chasing the latest get-rich-quick scheme or oscillating between unrelated career paths, the wealthy understand that depth, not breadth, is the precursor to mastery. To create significant financial value, one must first identify the specific problem they are uniquely equipped to solve and then apply an unrelenting force to that point until a breakthrough occurs. This isn't just about working hard, it's about the precision of that work. Clarity acts as a filter that automatically discards the noise that prevents most people from reaching their potential. When you define exactly what you want down to the specific dollar amount, the exact market you will dominate, and the lifestyle you intend to sustain, your brain begins to ignore the peripheral opportunities that would otherwise siphon away your time. Vague goals such as "I want to be rich" provide no direction and lead to weak, lukewarm results. Without a clear target, your subconscious mind remains idle, unable to synchronize your daily actions with your long-term ambitions. By deciding with absolute certainty what your outcome must be, you transform your mind into a heat-seeking missile that ignores the flares of temporary trends and remains locked on the target of true prosperity. There is a fundamental law in the realm of wealth creation: where your focus goes, your energy and eventually your money flows. If your attention is divided among 5 different projects, you are essentially giving 20% of your power to each. In a marketplace where competitors are giving 100% to a single craft, you will be outperformed every single time. Wealthy individuals are often criticized for their narrow focus, yet it is this very obsessiveness that allows them to see patterns, opportunities, and risks that the distracted mind misses. They understand that a laser can cut through steel because its energy is concentrated, while a floodlight, despite its brightness, can only illuminate the surface. To build wealth, you must stop being a generalist and start becoming a specialist who commands the full weight of their cognitive resources. Ultimately, focus is a muscle that must be trained in an environment that is increasingly hostile to it. We live in an economy that profits from our lack of focus, with social media, news cycles, and constant notifications acting as parasites on our ambition. Developing focus means saying no to good opportunities so that you can say yes to the great ones. It requires a level of emotional discipline that many find uncomfortable, as it often means working in solitude and ignoring the fear of missing out. However, the reward for this discipline is a level of productivity and financial gain that is inaccessible to the masses. When you commit to one clear outcome, you move from a state of hoping for success to engineering it through the sheer force of concentrated intent. Lesson 2. Energy determines speed. In the race toward financial independence, your strategy is the map, but your energy is the fuel. You can possess the most sophisticated business plan in the world, but if your internal battery is depleted, you will find yourself stalled on the side of the road while others zoom past you. High-performance wealth creation requires a level of cognitive and physical stamina that most people underestimate. It is the ability to sustain peak performance over long durations that separates the world-class from the mediocre. When your energy levels are high, your perception of obstacles changes. What once seemed like an insurmountable wall becomes a solvable puzzle. Conversely, when your energy is low, even the smallest tasks feel like a burden, leading to procrastination and the eventual death of your dreams. The most successful individuals on the planet do not view energy as a happy accident. They view it as a biological system that must be optimized. They recognize that their output is directly tied to their inputs: sleep, nutrition, and psychological hygiene. Protecting your sleep is not a sign of laziness, but a strategic investment in your decision-making capabilities. A brain that is well rested can process complex data and navigate high-stakes negotiations with a clarity that a sleep-deprived brain simply cannot match. Similarly, nutrition is treated as high-performance fuel rather than a source of entertainment. By fueling the body with the right nutrients, you maintain stable blood sugar and avoid the energy crashes that kill productivity and lead to poor, impulsive financial choices. Beyond the physical, your environment and mindset act as the software that either drains or amplifies your energy. If you surround yourself with pessimistic people who focus on scarcity, you will find your own energy siphoned away through a process of emotional osmosis. High-energy people are fiercely protective of their social circles, choosing to engage with those who challenge them and radiate ambition. They also master their internal dialogue, ensuring that their mindset is geared toward solutions rather than complaints. This psychological resilience allows them to recover from failures with astonishing speed. While a low-energy person might spend weeks mourning a lost deal, a high-energy entrepreneur processes the lesson in hours and is already moving toward the next opportunity. Speed is the currency of the modern world, and energy is the engine of speed. The faster you can move through the idea-to-action cycle, the more data you collect and the faster you can pivot toward profit. High-energy individuals make decisions quickly because they have the mental bandwidth to weigh risks without being paralyzed by anxiety. They take more shots on goal, knowing that even if they miss, they have the vitality to try again immediately. When you treat your energy as a literal form of currency, you stop spending it on trivial arguments, mindless scrolling, and toxic habits. You begin to invest it only in those activities that yield a high return on effort. This optimization of your personal energy is what allows you to achieve in 5 years what takes others 50. Lesson 3. Execution beats ideas. The world is overflowing with brilliant ideas, but the graveyards are full of people who never acted on them. In the hierarchy of wealth, an average idea executed with excellence will always outperform a world-class idea that exists only on paper. We have been conditioned to believe that knowledge is power, but this is a half-truth. Knowledge is only potential power. The actualization of power occurs the moment you apply that knowledge to the real world. Many aspiring entrepreneurs fall into the trap of procrastination through learning, where they read every book and attend every seminar as a way to avoid the terrifying risk of actually doing something. Wealthy individuals, however, understand that the marketplace does not pay for what you know, it pays for what you do. Execution is inherently messy, and this is why most people avoid it. It involves dealing with rejection, technical failures, and the realization that your initial plan was likely flawed. However, the wealthy embrace imperfect action as the only way to gather real-world intelligence. They don't wait for the perfect moment because they know the perfect moment is a myth designed to keep people comfortable. By launching before they feel ready, they force themselves to adapt and learn in the heat of the moment. This bias for action creates a feedback loop where every failure becomes a data point that informs the next move. While the overthinker is still trying to perfect their logo, the executor has already spoken to 10 customers and refined their product based on actual demand. Consistency is the secret source of execution that transforms a series of tasks into a wealth-building machine. It is easy to take action when you are inspired or when the sun is shining, but the elite are those who execute when the motivation has vanished. Wealth is built in the mundane moments, the early mornings, the late nights, and the boring administrative tasks that keep the gears turning. Execution requires a systemized approach to daily life where discipline overrides emotion. You must become a person who does what they said they would do, long after the mood in which they said it has left them. This level of reliability not only builds self-trust but also builds a reputation in the marketplace that attracts capital and partnership. The death of many great fortunes is analysis paralysis. When you spend too much time weighing every possible outcome, you lose the window of opportunity. Momentum is built by moving, not by thinking about moving. Every day that passes without execution is a day where your potential wealth is being eroded by inflation and competition. To break the cycle of overthinking, you must lower the barrier to entry for your own actions. Instead of trying to build a global empire today, focus on the one small task that moves the needle. Whether it's making a sales call, writing a line of code, or finishing a proposal, the act of doing creates its own energy. Once the first domino falls, the second one becomes easier to hit. Execute daily, relentlessly, and without apology. Lesson 4. Focus plus energy equals momentum. When you combine the laser-like precision of focus with the high-octane fuel of energy, you trigger a psychological and economic phenomenon known as momentum. Momentum is the force that makes success feel inevitable. It is the transition point where you no longer have to push the boulder uphill. Instead, the boulder begins to roll on its own, gathering speed and crushing any obstacles in its path. For the wealth seeker, momentum is the ultimate goal because it allows for exponential growth. In the early stages, you may feel like you are working incredibly hard for very little return, but this is merely the phase of building inertia. Once the combination of focus and energy hits a critical mass, your results will begin to outpace your efforts. Small disciplined actions are the building blocks of this unstoppable force. Just as a massive locomotive starts with a single puff of steam and a slow turn of the wheels, a financial empire starts with the daily habit of focusing on high-value tasks and maintaining a high state of vitality. These actions compound over time, much like interest in a bank account. Most people fail to build momentum because they are inconsistent. They focus for a week, then lose their energy and stop. When they start again, they have to overcome the friction of standing still all over again. By maintaining a steady application of focused energy every single day, you eliminate that friction and allow the compounding effect to work in your favor. Extraordinary wealth is rarely the result of one big break. Instead, it is the result of thousands of small wins that have been allowed to stack on top of one another. When your focus is clear, you ensure that all these small wins are moving you in the same direction. When your energy is high, you ensure that you have the stamina to keep stacking them without burning out. This alignment creates a synergy where 1 plus 1 no longer equals 2 but 11. Your reputation grows, your skills sharpen, and your network expands, all because you have stayed in the game long enough for momentum to take over. This is how overnight successes are actually 10 years in the making. The world only sees the moment the boulder reaches the bottom of the hill at top speed. Living in a state of momentum also has a profound effect on your psychology. It replaces anxiety with confidence and doubt with certainty. When you see your bank account growing and your projects succeeding due to your disciplined habits, you develop an inner winner effect. This confidence then feeds back into your energy levels, making it even easier to stay focused. You become a person who expects success because you have a proven track record of creating it daily. To maintain this state, you must be vigilant against momentum killers, complacency, distraction, and a decline in health. By guarding your focus and your energy as your most precious assets, you ensure that the engine of momentum never stops running until you have reached your ultimate financial destination. Lesson 5. Wealth is a skill, not a secret. The most empowering realization a person can have is that wealth is not a mystery, a stroke of luck, or a secret guarded by a cabal of elites. Wealth is a skill set, a collection of habits, mindsets, and systems that can be studied, practiced, and mastered by anyone willing to put in the work. Just as one might learn to play the piano or speak a foreign language, one can learn the mechanics of money. This shifts the narrative from "I hope I get lucky" to "I will develop the competency to succeed." When you view wealth as a skill, you take full responsibility for your financial situation. If you aren't where you want to be, it simply means there is a gap in your skill set that needs to be filled through education and application. Focus, energy, and execution are the core competencies within this skill set. Focus can be trained through meditation, deep work sessions, and the elimination of digital clutter. Energy can be optimized through biological understanding and lifestyle design. Execution can be systemized through project management, delegation, and the creation of SOPs, standard operating procedures. Once you stop looking for the one secret and start looking at the individual components of success, the path to freedom becomes clear. You begin to see your life as a series of levers that can be adjusted. If your income is stagnant, you look at your focus. If your growth is slow, you look at your energy. If your projects are failing, you look at your execution. The beauty of treating wealth as a skill is that it makes your results predictable. In the world of finance and business, predictability is the foundation of freedom. When you know that input X leads to outcome Y, you no longer live in fear of the future. You understand the code of the marketplace. This code involves understanding value creation, leverage, and risk management. As you practice these skills, you become more efficient at them. What took you a month to accomplish in your first year might only take you a day in your fifth year. This mastery allows you to decouple your time from your income, moving from active labor to the strategic management of assets and systems. Lasting freedom is the ultimate prize for those who treat wealth as a practice. It is the ability to live life on your own terms without the constant pressure of financial survival. But this freedom is not granted, it is earned through the consistent application of the principles outlined in these lessons. By committing to being a lifelong student of the game of wealth, you ensure that your prosperity is not a fluke that can be taken away by a bad economy or a shift in the market. You carry the skills within you. Even if you lost everything tomorrow, a person who has mastered the skills of focus, energy, and execution would be able to build it all back faster and better than before. The skill is the real wealth. The wealth code is simple but not easy. Focus on what matters. Raise your energy. Execute relentlessly. Do this long enough and wealth becomes inevitable. If this message resonated with you, take action today. Rewatch this, apply one lesson immediately, and remember your future isn't decided by chance, it's decided by what you focus on next.